Okay, guys, so I wanted to come up with this video because my hair has been going through it and I didn't really know what to do with it. I've been wearing it in buns a lot and I wanted to try something new. So here we have, behold, a creation.
Y'all, let me tell you something. It is currently 1:17 a.m. I have recorded this voiceover approximately 10 times, and I don't know what's wrong with my computer, but it keeps like I don't know what's up. I don't know if this is a sign that this video needs to be done or I need to just go to bed. But I'm determined to get this done. So, nonetheless, I'm going in with my let me switch over. So I'm doing my edges with the Style Booster Edge Control, which smells delicious, by the way. I like to apply the edge control in sections because what I found is that it dries really fast. So you want to be able to style your edges as you go along. It's just like pretty much foundation oxidizing, but it's just your edges. So what I recommend too is to, when you're making the little loop on your edges, to press down just so you can confirm the hold of the product in your edges. And I will also recommend to do this before you put on your makeup because as you can see, it's literally smearing my makeup all over the place around my edges. So that's my 2 cents on that. But I absolutely love this style because it's easier to do. Number one, because it's a low bun. Number two, I think buns can get very redundant, and I feel like this is a nice way to switch it up a little bit, especially when I add the clips in on the side. So you'll see that towards the end, but it gives you like a nice chic, up, like New York Fashion Week vibe, especially you throwing in the red lip. You know what I'm saying? So I definitely love this look. So once I'm done with my edges, I'm going to take my Eco Styler Coconut Edge gel and lay that on the back of my hair so it'll smooth down a little bit. And then this is where I add the pins. Now, if you want to be extra, you can add it to your whole entire head, which would definitely give you, it's a look, honey. It'll give you a look. But thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, peace.